Hi all, I'm going to be showing you today how you can download yourselves an image from Google, anything you like, and turn it into a basic embroidery design fairly easily using layout and editing for P design. So I've gone onto Google and I've typed in what I want. I've included the word outline as well. I also tend to use colouring page, things like that, and then you get something with a nice bold outline, not too much colour. I've chosen a dog bone, so I'm going to go for one similar to this, and I'm going to go save image as, and I'm going to save it to my desktop on there. Save. When I come to design and editing, it needs to go to image, input, from file, and then just select it. I've got a few in here already, so I'm going to select the bone, and it's going to come onto your screen. You then need to go up here, and you'll have a stitch wizard. It's going to be like a little magic wand. I'm going to click that, and we're going to go for auto punch. That's fine. It'll then pick this, and you can decide if you're going to omit colours or not, which means to get rid of. So if you have it open like this, it'll mean it will stitch in white. If you have it so it's all cross-hatched, it's going to get rid of it. So I just want the black outline, so I'm going to get rid of that, and it's picked it up all fine, so I'm going to leave the settings as they are and finish. There's your design, and then you can click on your image, modify image, and just delete it, because we don't want that in the way. Now to put it in the middle, I'm going to hold down Control and press M and middle it to my page. I then want to add some text, so I'm going to go up here to my fonts, and I'm going to use a new font I've installed, and I'll show you how to install fonts, and it's called Puppy Bellies, and it's got cute little dog paws. So I'm going to type the words that I want and import it. You can then click on it and make the size of it different. So I'm going to hold down Control when I size it, because that helps to keep the stitches from distorting too much, keeping it nice. And just make it as big as I want it to be. Now I also want it a different colour, so it doesn't have to be the exact colour you're going to stitch it obviously, but just a different colour from this so that you get a break on your embroidery machine. And that's basically what I'm going to leave it as, and I'm going to save it. So save as Charlie Bone. And I always tend to save things to the desktop because it makes it nice and easy to find later on. And then you can import that to your machine and go ahead and stitch it. Now if you wanted to, you can go to sewing attribute settings and you can change the zigzag width and the density and things like that. After I've done a test stitch of this, I might decide that. I tend to move my density up to a 7 and it just fills it a bit more around the edge, but that's totally up to you. I hope you get on well with that and have a little play. Enjoy!